This video is going to be pure truths I know about Restream. Some people are asking me, can I get monetized using Restream? Can I get demonetized using Restream? Yes, you can get monetized using Restream, and you can also get demonetized using Restream. Let me explain. If you use any copyrighted anything, either the video or the sound, if you use it to Restream and you get your 4,000 watch hour and you get monetized, by the end of the day, when YouTube discover that you use any copyrighted anything, content that is not your own, that you copy it, YouTube is going to demonetize you and you're going to start afresh. I personally used Restream to get monetized. So watch this video to the end so that you don't make any mistake. The best thing to do on Restream that can actually help your channel is by using your personal content. Something relating to your niche is what you should use to Restream. And as for sound, use any sound from YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio and copy any sound. Go and download any sound that you want to use. They are totally free. If you use your personal content on Restream till you get monetized, that's the best thing that can help your channel, because like that you're already building a community. In fact, use your normal content, the kind of content, your niche. Let whatever you're going to use to Restream, let it be relating to your niche. Also, as you are Restreaming, as you are posting your short form video, make sure that you are posting your long form videos. Please don't make that mistake. That's the mistake that I made. Don't make that mistake. As you are Restreaming, as you are posting shorts, be posting long form video, because that is where you would make money. The Restreaming, the short form video, they are not going to really give you money. But if you are posting your long form video, let people get along with your long form video. Let people get used to it. Create community with it. Create meaningful content. So by the time you get monetized, you can start making money. It's not be like it's when you now get monetized that you now start looking for community on with your long form video, so that you won't get frustrated, you won't get tired. That's what happened to me. I wasn't really posting long form video. I was only focusing on getting the watch hour, on getting the subscribers. So I was only Restreaming and I was only posting shorts. So by the time I get monetized, I have to struggle to, to gather the people, to gather my own audience for my long form video. And it is long form video that pays. No, that's no peace. Short video is just going to be giving like peanuts. That's the truth. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you are just about to start your YouTube channel and you don't even know how to start, you don't know where to start from, you don't know how to go about it, you can click on this my playlist here for a guide. Thank you so much. I love you. See you in my next video.